Seedlings growing from seeds have now reached the perfect stage for transplanting. At this stage, they require individual space to develop strong root systems and thrive. Step 1. Identify seedlings ready for transplanting. They are ready to be pricked out into individual cells. It's important to choose the strongest seedlings for transplanting, as these have the best chance of growing into healthy plants. Avoid leaving seedlings in their original trays for too long, as crowded roots can become entangled, making separation more difficult and potentially damaging the plants. Step 2. Prepare the transplanting medium. Use a propagation tray filled with a high-quality, seed-starting mix or multi-purpose compost. The growing medium should be light, while draining and rich in nutrients to support early growth. Step 3. Carefully remove seedlings. Gently loosen the seedlings from their original container. To avoid damaging the delicate roots, it's best to handle them by their leaves rather than their stems, as the stems are more fragile and can easily be crushed or broken. Step 4. Transplanting into individual cells. Using a small tool or your fingers, make a hole in the soil of each new cell or container. Place the seedling into the hole, ensuring that the roots are spread out and not cramped. Step 5. Secure the seedling. Cover the roots with soil and press lightly to provide stability. The seedling should be secure, but not buried too deep. Keep the base of the stem just above soil level to prevent rot. Step 6. Watering. For a strong start, water the newly transplanted seedlings thoroughly. To help their roots settle into the new environment, use a gentle watering technique to avoid disturbing the soil or displacing the seedlings. A fine mist sprayer or a slow, steady pour works best. Step 7. Providing the right environment for recovery. After transplanting, place the seedlings in a warm spot within direct sunlight to reduce transplant shock. This will allow them to adjust gradually without being stressed by intense light or heat. Step 8. Monitoring moisture levels. Consistent moisture is essential for healthy seedling development, but it's important not to overwater. Keep the soil evenly damp, but avoid making it waterlogged, as excessive moisture can lead to fungal diseases. If using a window sill for growing, rotate the trays regularly to ensure even light exposure. Step 9. Gradual light exposure before final transplanting. As the seedlings grow stronger, gradually expose them to more direct sunlight in preparation for their final transplanting into larger containers or garden beds. This hardening off process will help them adjust to outdoor conditions. Step 10. The path to a healthy harvest. Strong, well-transplanted seedlings are the foundation of a productive garden. With proper care, these young plants will continue to grow, eventually producing a bountiful harvest. For more gardening tips and techniques, stay connected and subscribe to this channel. Happy growing!